Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to Sangeet Sadhana Kendra. Before I will start recording, I want to request you, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press your bell icon also. So if we will upload any new videos, you will get the notification. In this video, I'm going to teach you alankar. That's a practice, exercise of notes. And this exercise will improve your notes control. Like a distance of notes, you will learn distances, the notes. Many times if you realize that if you are practicing like in sequence any alankar, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, or different alankars, then if sometime you have to sing after sa to dha or sa to ni or sa to pa, then you don't get to sing. Then you start to search the notes. Where is pa, where is ma, where is dha? And that control you will get with these type of exercises. So I will give you several exercises of this also, so you can understand the distance of notes. Okay? So focus on this. I'm going to record this from C sharp. So this video will be beneficial for those students who practicing from C sharp, but if you understand the concept, then you can practice from any scale. Just because notes is written there and I am singing that, so you can just write down and you can sing from your own scale, G sharp or A sharp or any another scale. But I am going to sing from C sharp. So check this, how this will work. First, you will start very slow. Sa re ga re sa. After sa, you see the pause. That means one matra. We have to stay there. And two things I want to tell you more in this. In English writing, a red color I indicate for higher notes, and blue color indicates for lower notes. Okay? And if sometime in future you will see the tibrama, then you will see in green color, right? And komal, as usual, it will be underlined. Okay? So let's do this. Sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa. Let me describe you a little bit more like a system. When you are singing sa re ga re sa, that means that's a very calm sound. You will be in very easy mood. And when you sing pa dha ni dha pa, then you will be in middle range. Your voice will be little higher. And then when you sing sa re ga re sa, then you have to scream little louder. That's a higher notes. Okay? Same way, sa ni dha ni sa will be little higher. Then pa ma ga ma pa will be in middle range. And when you sing sa ni dha ni sa, will be very calm. Correct? So when you change your pattern, combinations of note, immediately you change your mood also. Like sa re ga re sa, very easy mood. Then little bit higher notes, pa dha ni dha pa. And then higher notes, sa re ga re sa, very high note. So you have to scream loud. Okay? Now coming back again higher, sa ni dha ni sa. Then in middle range, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, very calm mode. Right? So all three mood is there and you have to change your voice immediately. Sa re ga re sa. You can't sing pa dha ni dha pa in same effort. Sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa. So if you will get control to change your mood immediately you sing very low notes, sa, sa, ni dha, ga re, like this. Sometimes notes is here, sometimes notes is there. So like, scale change all the places. So, but you will understand, you can recognize the notes. If it's a higher notes, I have to scream. If it's a middle scale, then we have to sing in middle range, right? So this thinking should go together with practice. Okay? Then you will get control. Sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa. So in slow speed, when you will get control, when you memorize it very nicely, get confidence, then after that speed up. Sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa, sa re ga re sa, pa dha ni dha pa, sa re ga re sa, sa ni dha ni sa, pa ma ga ma pa, sa ni dha ni sa. So sa pa sa ga sa pa sa. So you will memorize, you will remember the efforts of notes, and then you will start to get the control on notes. Then when you complete this in sargam, then after that you start to do in ah also. Ah. And when you do ah, then keep the sargam in mind. Ah. 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 when you get little confidence in this speed, then speed up. Ah, 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 One thing I want to tell you, if your speed, any speed you are doing practice, if it's not confident, you have like, you are singing, but it's unbalanced. Your voice is not matching. Sometimes finger is skipping from the keys. Any problem is there, then don't rush. Don't speed up. Do in that speed, in which speed you don't have any mistakes. Okay? And when you get confidence on that, after that you can start to speed up. Now, if you realize, just focus on this, how I am changing my voice level immediately. Has control on that. Sa, pa, sa, ga, sa, pa, sa, ma, sa, dha, sa, ga, pa, re, ni, re, sa. So, in this alankar, this exercise, do from slow, like a very slow. Start from slow and memorize it and start to get confidence, and slowly start to speed up. You will get very good control on your notes. This is like when sometimes students, they do practice these exercises, then how mind works. Let me give you a little story. Because sometimes this is like a beginner's practice. But sometimes when students start to learn music in elder age, big age, like, like 10, 20, 15, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that in age, if somebody is starting, their mind clashes all the time. Because they are, one side, they are very mature. They are like educated, they have a life experience, they are like, in the job, they are boss, all these type of experience they have. But one side, they took admission in lower class, like a middle school or primary school, or even you can say kindergarten. So, when they are doing something, primary school work, then their mind clash. Because in primary school, child don't have any maturity in the mind. So when teacher teaches them like anything, they just practice. That's it. They don't think, oh, I already am mastering this, I did already. They don't lose patience so quick. But elder people lose interest very quick, because when they have to practice something like a child, their mind clashes. So control on your mind, that is the main goal. And practice how I am teaching you, just practice like that. You can say about 1 year to 2 year time. Keep patience and go exactly like how I am teaching you. And one time your voice start to run properly. You start to get the control on notes. Believe me, you will be able to rock. You can learn anything after that. You want to sing classical? You can. Ghazal, movie song, Sufi song, bhajan, anything you want to learn, anything you want to sing, you will be able to sing with very good quality, because your voice is ready to move on everything. Okay? So please keep patience, practice well. This thing is not like you are doing one day practice, you memorize the exercises and you're done. No. This thing is not to memorize. This thing is to do workout. Like how you run on treadmill. When you exercise, when you join the gym, you don't do every day another thing. You do same treadmill exercise. If you are doing treadmill or you are doing the running exercise, you are doing same thing over and over, and you are doing workout. Means not like you are going on the treadmill for 2 minutes or 5 minutes and done. You are doing 20 minutes, 30 minutes you are running over and over to sweat, to take out your cholesterol from your body, to keep your body fit. Same thing, these exercises. This is a workout. When you are exercising like that, your voice is getting tired. Then again, second day, your voice becomes fresh and it's get strength. And at the same time, speed also increases when you are doing this practice over and over. Okay? And main goal is voice, like train your voice, speed up your voice, control on the notes. This is our goal. Okay? So focus properly, practice patiently, and then I will see you in next video. Before I will finish, I want to request you, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also. And one time again, I told before also, one time again I want to tell you this channel will be dedicated to English completely. Now I am not going to record anything in Hindi for this channel especially. If you are interested in Hindi, then go to my other channels like Sangeetanjali Music School for classical, Bollywood music for Bollywood songs, Music Guru Ajay for bhajans, devotional songs, Jagriti channel for the social work, social awakening, and Ajay Jha for my performance. My performance, my albums, everything is in Ajay Jha channel. Okay, so this channel is there. Please subscribe those channel also if you want to enjoy the different things. And I will see you in next video. In meantime, take care yourself. Thank you very much for watching.